Hi, my name's Zoe, and I'm on a journey to become one of the best gardeners in Canada. To do this, I will have to learn every tip, trick, and method that makes growing in Calgary not only possible, but fun. Stick with me on this journey, and maybe you too will be well on your way to becoming a gardening goat. I love using the vegetables I've grown for roasts, salads, and soups, but I also want to make sure that I get the most out of what I grow. I recently found out you can use all sorts of food scraps to regrow those delicious veggies and save you some money. Once you're finished cutting up your veggies for dinner, save those scraps and follow these steps for each type of vegetable. So for potatoes, use sections with eyes. Leave them to dry out slightly overnight and plant them in soil with eyes facing up. For alliums, including spring onions, garlic, leek, and onions, use the section of the bulb or stem with roots attached. Place in a shallow dish of water. For celery, use the bottom of the celery. Place in a shallow container and place in a warm and sunny place. Either harvest the leaves or plant in a garden. For root crops like beets, carrots, and parsnips, retain the tops and place in a container of water. Allow the roots to continue growing until you can transplant. And for basil or cilantro, place a 4-inch long stem into a glass, making sure the leaves are above the water level. Allow the roots to grow before transplanting them. By reusing kitchen scraps to regrow vegetables, you can reduce the amount of waste that goes to landfill and have more and more delicious vegetables to eat. Thanks so much for watching. To continue learning more about gardening, keep watching this video series and keep on becoming the greatest gardener of all time.